The chipmaker, which specializes in artificial intelligence, Nvidia, has taken the record for the biggest single day's rise ever on any market around the world. We saw earnings coming through just a couple of days ago for the fourth quarter, and it beat sales, it beat earnings, and it also beat on the outlook. Let's take a look at the share price chart just to show exactly what's been happening here, because last year the chart gained 251% overall for the overall increase to a record high in the stock at the end of last year. Since then, it's seen a further rise of 61.29%. Now, in yesterday's session, it added $277 billion in value. Now, this is the most in market history for any company on any market. It brought its gains for the year to date to $740 billion, taking its market capitalization to just shy of a $2 trillion market company. And it didn't stop there either. I want to show you what happened in terms of the hourly trade, because this vertical dotted line shows you when the markets closed out for the cash session yesterday, and it continued to rise in the extended trade on the IG platform, closing up at a record $798.92. Now, it helped all the Wall Street indices up in yesterday's session. Interestingly, the NASDAQ, or the US Tech 100, didn't quite hit a new all-time record high. That was taken on the intraday trade on the 12th of February, when the markets hit 180.45. Didn't quite get there yesterday, but it was very, very close. But what it did do, it did help other indices. The Dow, for example, which is not known for its tech-heavy markets, it did rise to a record high in yesterday's session. But the S&P 500, which now contains all the big Magnificent Seven, including Nvidia, and its shares, lifted to an all-time record high, which is where we see this start out of Friday's session. So that was the effect of the Nvidia rise in Thursday's trade.